Welcome to the BlackStar Survival Podcast, your trusted source for disaster preparedness and urban survival. In today's episode, we're diving into a critical topic, understanding hurricane categories and how to prepare for them. Understanding the different categories of hurricanes is essential for effective preparedness. With the right knowledge and preparation, you can significantly reduce the risks and impacts of these powerful storms. Let's start with the basics. The Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale. This scale categorizes hurricanes into 5 levels based on their sustained wind speeds, which helps predict the potential damage and necessary preparations. Category 1 Hurricanes. These storms have wind speeds ranging from 74 to 95 miles per hour. While considered the least severe, they can still cause significant damage. Expect minor damage to homes, uprooted trees, and power outages. Preparation tips. 1. Secure loose outdoor items. 2. Reinforce windows and doors. 3. Ensure you have a basic emergency kit with food, water, and medical supplies. Category 2 hurricanes bring wind speeds of 96 to 110 miles per hour. These storms can cause extensive damage, including roof and siding damage to well-constructed homes, and significant power outages. Preparation tips. 1. Continue securing your home, especially roofs and windows. 2. Prepare for prolonged power outages with backup generators and extra batteries. 3. Have a detailed family emergency plan in place. Category 3 hurricanes, with wind speeds of 111 to 129 miles per hour, are classified as major hurricanes. Expect devastating damage, including significant structural damage to homes, uprooted trees blocking roads, and widespread power and water outages. Preparation tips. 1. Consider evacuation if advised by local authorities. 2. Strengthen your home structure as much as possible. 3. Ensure your emergency kit includes important documents, medications, and valuables. Category 4 hurricanes have wind speeds of 130 to 156 miles per hour. These storms can cause catastrophic damage, including severe structural damage to buildings, snapped trees, and power outages lasting weeks. Preparation tips. 1. Evacuate if instructed by local officials. 2. Double-check your evacuation route and plan. 3. Make sure your emergency kit is comprehensive and ready to go. Category 5 hurricanes, the most severe, have wind speeds exceeding 157 miles per hour. These storms cause total roof failure, building collapses, and isolated areas due to fallen trees and power poles. Preparation tips. 1. Immediate evacuation is essential. 2. Prepare for long-term power and water outages. 3. Have a well-stocked emergency kit and a clear evacuation plan. General preparedness tips are crucial regardless of the hurricane category. Always have an emergency kit with essentials like food, water, medications, and important documents. Secure your home to withstand high winds and have an evacuation plan ready. Stay informed with the latest weather updates through reliable sources. To recap, understanding the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale and the potential damage of each hurricane category is vital for effective preparedness. Make sure you're ready with an emergency kit, a secure home, and a clear evacuation plan. For more information and to get your essential gear, visit us at BlackStarSurvival.com. Thank you for joining us today. Stay safe and prepared. Until next time, this is the BlackStar Survival Podcast signing off.